Saturation is a versatile mixing tool that can make your tracks sound fatter, help tracks cut through the mix, or glue tracks together. Here are the top 5 tips for using saturation when mixing. Understand the basics of saturation. Saturation occurs when the electrical components of a piece of hardware are overloaded. It introduces soft knee compression, which means the ratio becomes more aggressive as the input increases. This results in a more gradual compression effect that is more subtle. Know the difference between even and odd harmonic distortion. Harmonic distortion causes small spikes in amplitude known as harmonics, which are a multiple of the incoming signal frequency. Even harmonics tend to create a warm, vintage sound, while odd harmonics sound more aggressive and in your face. Use saturation to add warmth and body. Saturation is often used to add warmth and body to a mix. It can also be used to fatten up drums, or to add grit and character to guitars, synths, or even vocals. Be careful with the amount of saturation. Too much saturation can lead to a dirty-sounding mix. It's always best to start with small amounts of saturation and then increase the amount until you achieve the desired sound. Experiment with different types of saturation. There are many different types of saturation, each with its own unique sound. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types to find the one that best suits your mix. The key to using saturation effectively is to understand what it does and how it affects your mix. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating professional sounding mixes with the help of saturation. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.